Good morning, BNI.
Good morning.
Ever wondered, some people are very successful and some are not? What could be the reason? Any ideas?
Time management.
Okay, thank you very much. I like that. Okay, so some of the reasons as we go deep, could be related to lots of different factors. But as we go very deep, we realize that these people who are successful, they are having very refined networking skills. Okay, so how do we develop these skills? We have to join some networking group, right? Now, some people say we don't have time for networking. Well, then be ready to write checks for the advertising companies, and Dinesh will be very happy to receive your checks. Or you can make cold calls. The better way is have word of mouth marketing, and that is what the networking platforms provide. Now there are different types of networking groups. One is called casual networking group. So Indian Chamber of Merchants is one such group where you just meet, there is no agenda, there is no attendance requirement. Whenever you have time, you go there, and then you have a casual network session going on. Then there are strong networking groups like BNI who have some fixed agenda every week, and there are some strict rules, and that ensures that we get maximum effective networking out of us. So that is second. Then we have social business groups, and there are community service networking groups like Rotary. Our friend here is a member of Rotary, Lions Club, right? So they also engage in social activities, but on the sidelines you get to develop good contacts with the fellow members, and that may prove to be very useful for your business. Then there are organizations which are social and business together. Okay, they do events which are social, but they also have networking sessions on a business side. And then we also have professional organizations which are focused towards a particular industry, like Indian Medical Association is one. Then we have NASSCOM for IT industry. And then we have All India Management Association, Delhi Management Association, and all that. So they are catering to the needs of a particular industry. And then we finally have women's business groups like FICCI, Ladies Organization, FLO. And so they promote entrepreneurship for the women. Irrespective of whatever group we join, we have to make sure that we get maximum out of our membership. Now, how do we ensure we get maximum? So it's not net sit, it's not net eat, it's net work. So you have to actually put efforts to get maximum out of your membership. Okay? And finally, I would like to end this session by mentioning that BNI was created 30 years ago by Evan Meisner, and he has been delivering excellent, not he is delivering, but he has created the process in such a way that we are getting maximum out of our membership. Thank you, Ivan.